Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that affects so many of us, yet we rarely discuss it openly. Did you know that over 60 million grown-ups in the US feel lonely? That's a staggering number, isn't it? That's like 1 out of every 4 people. Imagine being in a room with 4 friends and knowing that one of you feels completely alone. It's a really big problem, like a silent sickness spreading everywhere. Loneliness, it doesn't discriminate, it can affect anyone, anywhere. We have more ways to talk to each other than ever before, but tons of people still feel alone. It's strange, isn't it? With social media, video calls, and instant messaging, you'd think we'd be more connected. I felt it myself, and in my work, I've seen that lots of other people feel it too. It's a shared experience, yet it feels so personal and isolating. But remember, you're not alone in feeling this way. There are ways to reach out and connect, even when it feels impossible. Loneliness isn't just about being by yourself. It's a complex emotion that can affect anyone, regardless of their social situation. You can be surrounded by people and still feel utterly alone. It's like this heavy, empty feeling, like you don't belong anywhere. This sense of isolation can creep in slowly, making everyday activities feel like monumental tasks. It's like you're invisible and no one can hear you or see you. Even in a bustling crowd, you can feel like a ghost, disconnected from the world around you. This feeling of being disconnected is bad for our minds and bodies. It can lead to mental health issues like depression and anxiety, and even affect our physical health. It can make us sad, worried, and even make us physically sick. The stress of feeling alone can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. It's a quiet kind of hurt that we need to understand and care about. Recognizing the signs of loneliness in ourselves and others is the first step towards healing. Reaching out, talking to someone, or even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. People don't just become lonely overnight. Sometimes big changes in life can make us feel lonely, like moving to a new town, losing someone we love, or changing jobs. Other times it happens slowly. We get busy and it's easier to talk to people online than in person. Social media, even though it seems like it connects us, can actually make us feel more lonely. We're all meant to have friends and feel like we belong. It's a fundamental part of our human experience. From the earliest days of our lives, we seek out connections, forming bonds that help us navigate the world. These relationships provide us with support, joy, and a sense of purpose. It's just part of being human. Yet, in today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy to feel isolated. Despite being more connected than ever through technology, many of us struggle with feelings of loneliness and disconnection. The first step to dealing with loneliness is to admit it's happening, both to ourselves and to others. Acknowledging these feelings can be difficult, but it's a crucial step towards healing. It's okay to feel lonely. It's a natural emotion that many people experience. Talk to someone you think might be struggling. Reaching out can make a world of difference. Sometimes just knowing that someone cares can provide immense comfort. Be the person who listens, who offers a shoulder to lean on. Put your phone down and have a real conversation. In a world dominated by screens, face-to-face interactions are more valuable than ever. These moments of genuine connection can help bridge the gap that technology often creates. Be honest with people and let them see the real you. Authenticity fosters deeper connections. When we open up and share our true selves, we invite others to do the same, creating a space where real relationships can flourish. Making real connections can be scary, but it's worth it. The fear of vulnerability can be daunting, but the rewards of genuine relationships far outweigh the risks. Take that first step, reach out and see the difference it makes. Let's all try to connect with each other, one real conversation at a time. By making an effort to engage with those around us, we can build a more connected, compassionate world. Every small interaction counts, and together we can make a big difference.